Glass Jug and Cup Set.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
Mini Pet Hair Remover.
Is brilliant.
Clean and repair iPhone and iPad ports.
This is the best way to clean your iPhone charging ports. Tools 1, 2 and 3 remove dust, tissue and debris that stops your phone charging. Tools 4 and 5 clean your charging cable when you insert it, and tool 6 is a brush to keep your speakers, switches and microphone clear.
Flower jars and battery operated candles. Acrylic makeup brush holder.
I recently got my vanity and I showed you guys all of my blinged brushes. Personally, I think they're so cute in this drawer, but I found this. This is an acrylic makeup brush holder. It comes with the pink beads, and I love that there's 3 spots because I have 3 different color brushes. Let's transfer them into the container. I just spilled them all over the floor. Does anybody have that fear of like circles? Because if you do, you would not like this. This is freaking beautiful. I'm gonna set it right there.
Foot peel mask.
So I've been seeing a lot of TikToks about this foot mask that basically makes your whole foot peel off, and I want to see how well it actually works, so I found it on Amazon and bought one to test. This is what my feet looked like before, and as you can see, there's a bit of dry skin on my toe and heel. I started by soaking my feet for 15 minutes, and then I put the booties on and secured them with socks, and then chilled for 90 minutes. It took about 4 days before anything happened, and I was a little underwhelmed at first, but it just got worse and worse until my foot was literally like a snake shedding its skin. I even had to bring in a pair of scissors to cut off the flappy bits with. But after a crazy amount of skin had come off, I was left with really soft feet, so I definitely recommend it, and I'm glad I tested it out.
Lash mascara.
This mascara is the #1 bestseller on Amazon Beauty. It was $5. Let me see if it is worth the hype. I have short Asian lashes, so I am skeptical. But oh my god. What? It actually made them look so long. Okay, I am keeping this. That's $5 spent this week.
47 New York Yankees cap and Converse women's. Apple MacBook Air laptop and pencil case.
Okay, hey, I'm gonna do a back to school haul with my new backpack and all the stuff in it because it's a new school year and all the stuff is gonna be in the link in my bio and my Amazon storefront. Got the new updated North Face Borealis backpack. In the big back pocket, I have my laptop because most of our stuff is on mine. I also got this brand new Hydro Flask, cute pink color. Then I got this pretty pink pencil pouch, and it's filled with like Pilot pens, these pencils, and midliners because I'm a huge note taker. Got this cute little planner because it's senior year and I gotta keep up with all my deadlines. And I got this 5-star notebook, orange, love the color. And I'm obsessed with these. They have 5 dividers and I just use it. Best thing ever. And I have my handy dandy calculator, portable charger. That's it. Y'all have a great school year. Go check out my storefront. It's stuff.
Okay, it is finally back to school season. All 3 of my kids
kids are going to school this year, and I've been doing all my back-to-school shopping on Amazon. I wanted to read you this review that I left. It's really important. This is a great bento box. Perfect for adorable lunches, sturdy as hell, functional. My bottomless left optimisms of high hopes, visions of flower-shaped fruits and teddy bear-shaped sandwiches dance through my head. I was gonna be that damn mom this year. The one with the adorable lunches and the handwritten notes. I could feel it in my bones as I clicked place order. I tried it once before getting back on my undercaffeinated bullshit and resuming their standard menu of Uncrustables and goldfish. Turns out, this artsy lunch shit is hard, and just owning the bento box does not change who I am as a person.
Workout sets for women and women's yoga set. Mini waffle maker and fruit slicer.
Amazon favorites, and it's available in Canada. I love this pineapple mini waffle maker. It is so cute, and it has the cutest design when you make the waffles. What do you think?
Motivational water bottle and gold earrings.
What are those things you cannot live without from Amazon? I'll go first.
This water bottle comes with me everywhere. I use it every single day. I love that it has a strap because it's really convenient to carry around, and you can keep up with your goals throughout the day.
Honestly, Amazon's jewelry, they're good quality. I wear so many of their pieces. They last forever and are inexpensive.
Here are a few of my favorites. I love their bracelets and their dangly earrings. They have so many different ones that are great quality, and of course their gold hoops. For some reason, my phone is always dying, so these power banks come in great. I use them every day, and the battery does last quite a while. I can get a full charge in less than 30 minutes, and they come in a bunch of colors.
This beauty tool right here is the perfect thing to wake you up every morning. Not only is this one really pretty, it's $9.99 and works great to depuff your face. You put it in your freezer every night, and your face will thank you in the morning.
Shower phone holder.
Random things you need from Amazon we're trying out in the rental house. First off, this waterproof phone holder. If you bring your phone in the shower like I do, you don't have to worry about it falling off the shelf, and the touch.
Scanmarker Air Pen Scanner.
Random Amazon finds are just snap. This gadget lets you highlight any text or handwritten notes and automatically types it out on your screen and can even read a text out loud for you. Take me to the reader. It's compatible with Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android devices and a perfect companion for studying or taking notes so you can ace those exams.
Pink razor and bucket hats.
3 summer must-haves from Amazon. This little portable razor will save you in the summertime if you're ever on the go and notice that you missed a spot while shaving. There's a little spray bottle, a soap bar, and then 2 little razors inside. And you can throw it in your purse, take it with you to the beach, the pool, whatever, if you notice that you missed a spot and touch up. The bucket hat trend is back and in full swing. I love this one from Amazon. It comes in 9 different colors, and I really like the kind of distressed, cringy look on it. And lastly is this coconut water face mist. Spray this on your face either before or after your makeup. Keeps your skin hydrated and smells amazing.
Under cabinet lights.
Another great Amazon find. This is the Esvallo LED strip lighting. It has a rechargeable battery and is motion censored. It is so easy to install. It attaches to a magnetic strip that has an adhesive patch. No hardware required.
Halloween skeleton hand plastic cups and retro 2-slice toaster. Ice cube maker.
This ice cube maker is supposed to make really cool ice cubes, but they won't come out, so this is part 2. So it just has to like push on the top, and it's supposed to break. So I heard them break before, but now nothing's coming out. So I think what we're gonna have to do is actually open it up. So open it, just pull the top part off, and the bottom part off. Wait. Look at those. Okay, I'm just gonna take them out. They're like little cubes. They're actually really cute. If they came out the right way, that'd be super cool. But this is so cool. Running out of time.
We gon' get it, we gon' get it, we gon' get it on. We gon' get it, we gon'